Hello everyone, and welcome to this introductory video on Scikit-learn. If you're a budding data scientist, a machine learning enthusiast, or just curious about classical machine learning, you're in the right place.
Scikit-learn is an essential tool in the world of data science, providing a unified and consistent API for a wide range of machine learning algorithms. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Scikit-learn is, why it's so popular, and how you can get started with it. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is Scikit-learn? Scikit-learn is an open-source Python library widely used for machine learning tasks. It provides a comprehensive set of algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, and more. It's built upon core Python libraries like NumPy for numerical operations, SciPy for scientific computing, and Matplotlib for data visualization, ensuring high performance and ease of use. Scikit-learn offers key features that cater to various machine learning needs, including powerful algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, and even dimensionality reduction techniques to simplify complex datasets. Now, you might be wondering, with so many machine learning libraries out there, why choose Scikit-learn? One of its biggest strengths is its ease of use and consistent API. This means that once you learn how to use one algorithm, you can easily apply that knowledge to others, significantly speeding up your workflow. Plus, it has excellent documentation, making it easy for beginners to learn and for experts to reference. Another major advantage is that Scikit-learn is open source and has a massive, active community. This means continuous improvements, a wealth of online resources, and readily available support from other users and developers. Ready to dive in? Let's talk about how to get started with Scikit-learn. Installation is straightforward. You can typically install it using pip, Python's package installer, with a simple command, --pip install scikit-learn --. The basic workflow in Scikit-learn involves three main steps. First, preparing your data. Second, choosing and training a model. And third, making predictions. It's a very intuitive process designed to streamline your machine learning projects. Scikit-learn isn't just for theoretical exercises. It's used extensively in real-world applications across various industries. For example, it's widely used in finance for fraud detection, helping identify suspicious transactions by analyzing patterns in financial data. In healthcare, Scikit-learn models assist in medical diagnoses, predicting diseases based on patient data, and even in drug discovery.
And in technology, it powers image recognition systems, enabling everything from facial recognition to categorizing vast image libraries.
So there you have it, a brief introduction to Scikit-learn. It's a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly library that's essential for anyone working with classical machine learning. Start exploring Scikit-learn today and unlock its potential for your next project.